Thank you, everyone. I now invite our Diwali event founders and coordinators, Auntie Kree and Uncle Carvin, to share their vision for the celebration and deliver a heartfelt vote of thanks. Let's give one final round of applause to our incredible community. You've made tonight's sparkle brighter than a box of sparkles at midnight. Welcome.
Next year's MC.
Okay, not much longer, and then we can start dancing till the end, and then we can start cleaning up before we go. Good evening, aunties, uncles, brothers, sisters, friends, and dearest children. What a wonderful start to the night, filled with color, light, laughter, and togetherness. Thank you all for joining us to celebrate Deepavali, the beautiful festival of light. Before I go on to thank anyone, I just want to say to keep in mind people who are sick, maybe your family, your friends. We personally have a friend who's unwell, and we'd like to send prayers of healing to him, and you can do the likewise for your family and friends as well. But we're thinking of a special person who's in hospital and unwell. We pray that he gets well soon. Tonight we reflect on a Hindu philosophy close to our hearts, Vasudeva Kutumbakam, meaning the world is one family. It's more than just a phrase, it's the vision behind our fundraiser and a reflection of who we are as a community. Many of us have left our home countries and families to build a new life here in Perth. Along the way, we formed friendships that have become like family. That is Vasudeva Kutumbakam, seeing the world as one big family, connected through kindness, compassion, and love. By raising funds to help those in need, people we may never know, people we may never meet, we show that same spirit of connection and care. Through gatherings like this, where we share food, laughter, and friendship, we truly unite as one family. We warmly welcome our overseas guests, those visiting from outside Western Australia. Some people are here from South Africa, some elderly that have traveled, mothers, fathers, to come and be with their children. Welcome. We salute you. Thank you for traveling across the miles to be with us. We hope you keep coming back. Please don't say this is the last time. We want you to keep coming back. First, we want to offer our gratitude to the divine. Without God's grace and blessings, none of this would be possible. For Kantan and I, this fundraiser is a labor of love, guided each year by faith and trust. I actually wanted to thank everybody in person, but before I do that, please forgive us if we missed out anyone unintentionally. I actually had the names of people that helped, people who had sponsored, and people who had donated monetary gifts. But things have changed because so many people have come forward to help and sponsor and donate. That's why we did those extra raffle draws. So I'll leave out all those names, but I'm going to mention some names, and if we've missed out anyone, it wasn't intentional. To our beautiful MC Dashell, thank you for your warmth and grace. And to her dad, Michelle, who stepped in as our startup DJ. Thank you for setting up the perfect festive mood, Michelle. Thank you, Mesha, for beautifully chanting the Gayatri Mantra to bless our evening. A big thank you to Neshni Naidu for kindly accepting our invitation again this year, and for inviting our guest, Mr. Deepak Sharma. Your inspiring words and reflections on the true meaning of Deepavali are truly appreciated.